Help, I'm in jail. Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom, being silly as usual. Hey, I have a really great tip for you today. In your kitchen, just think now, where do you keep your muffin tins, your pizza pans, your cookie sheets, baking sheets, cutting boards, all those big items, right? I want to talk you into using one of these or two or three of these to store your stuff vertically so that you can just reach in and pull out what you want. And sometimes we do that. We store things vertically, but they tip, or we give up entirely and store everything vertically. And then we're looking through heavy stuff and there's that one pan I want. And it's try this seriously. I'll show you what I did. And right in here in this cupboard, I have all the stuff I need. I even have my Madeline pan, all the all the vertical big stuff that we all have, cutting boards, baking sheets, muffin tins, all kinds of things that now I can see them all at a glance. They're handy. It looks tidy, neat, and organized. Now, where do you get one of these? You can find them online. You can find them in big box stores. Some have wider spaces between these racks. And you can even find them at thrift shops, which is where I found this one. So look into this and try and see if you can put them in your cupboard and store things a little more organized. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, be sure to subscribe and be sure to tell your friends about it. And look through. I have hundreds of these online. So you can find all kinds of life hacks to do with more than just the kitchen, all kinds of stuff. See you next time.